Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tricks and Tutorials. Today I will show you how to get not working Google Chrome browser back to work. You can see this browser not working well. Sometime when open this browser, it will close itself. Let's search something. Not loading anymore here. To fix this browser, open Setting on your mobile. Locate the apps. Then open Apps and find Google Chrome browser. Click on Storage. Clear cache. And open Manage Storage. And click Clear All Data. Now check back, is it working or not. Let's search something. Well, it's working good. Just give a comment, is it working or not. Subscribe me to watch more tricks and tutorials. Thank you. See you again.